Welcome back everyone. Today I have a really easy, quick, possibly the most fudgiest chocolate loaded brownie recipe for all of you. So the first thing that you need to do is melt your chocolate and butter in the microwave at 30-second interval till everything is smooth and combined. Keep that aside for later. Now in a large bowl or the bowl of your stand mixer, whip up your eggs and sugar for about 5 minutes till everything is light and fluffy. Once your eggs are fluffed up, stop the mixer. Now mix in the vanilla with your chocolate and butter mixture and pour all of that into your eggs and give it a good whip till everything is well incorporated. You can now fold in your dry ingredients. Be careful not to overmix. You can fold in the chopped Oreos and your mint chocolate now. I'm using thin mints. You can use After Eight, Mint Crisp, or whichever ones are available to you. Give the bowl a good scrape just to make sure that nothing is stuck at the bottom. Pour this delicious chocolate goodness in a greased and lined 9x9 pan and bake in a preheated oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. You can decorate these with some extra Oreos like I'm doing or leave it as is. Here's a delicious brownie ready to be served. I like mine with a dollop of vanilla ice cream. You can also have it with some whipped cream. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.